to hustle. There ain't no time for sleep. Just keep on moving. Do what you're doing. You always play for keeps. Ain't backing down, no, we're going big. Ain't stopping now, we get after it. Get after it. Get after it. Light that fire. Get after it. Get after it. Light that fire. Get after it. Light that fire.
Sir Neil! Uy! Sabi Sir Neil.
Shit too, I'm speakers. Word is getting out from the high school bleachers. Black top burning holes in our sneakers, but it's all gonna be alright. Cause we came to celebrate. Live like it's graduation. These are the days we'll never forget. I'm living my life. I'm dancing on cloud nine, way up in the sky. I'm flying so high, I'm sipping on sunshine. It's got me like wow. I might never calm down. Up here it's so bright, I'm feeling alive. I'm sipping on sunshine. Woo! I'm sipping on sunshine. All summer we'll be diving in the deep end. School's out, so we're living like the weekend. Jumping cause the water's fine. Come and put some peace of mind. Problem. Living like no tomorrow. These are the days I hope never end. I'm living my life. I'm dancing on cloud nine, way up in the sky. I'm flying so high, I'm sipping on sunshine. It's got me like wow. I might never calm down. Up here it's so bright, I'm feeling alive. I'm sipping on sunshine. Woo! I'm sipping on sunshine. This heart was made for beating. These lungs were made for breathing. I can't believe I'm sipping on sunshine. These eyes were made for seeing. This life was made for dreaming. Just look at me, I'm sipping on sunshine.
Hi babe, 7 taon na ang nakalipas. Nagsimula tayo sa isang simpleng match at message.
Mula noong 2020, marami na tayong pinagdaanan. Mga masasayang alaala, mga pagsubok, at mga pagkakataong sinubok yung ating pagmamahalan. Ngayon sa harap ng Diyos at ng ating mga mahal sa buhay, ipinapangako kong magiging tapat, responsable at mas mabuting asawa sa'yo araw-araw.
Salamat sa pagmamahal, tiyaga, at sa pagiging partner ko sa bawat adventure. Pinapangako kong mamahalin kita, susuportahan kita, at sa mga pangarap mo, at sasamahan kita sa bawat bagong chapter ng buhay natin.
Ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yun. Lalabanan ko lahat para sa'yo. Basta't nandito lang ako sa tabi mo.
Ikaw ang pinakamagandang desisyon na ginawa ko. At ipinapangako kong mamahalin kita, susuportahan kita, at pipiliin kita araw-araw. Thank you for being my best friend, my safe place, and my forever. I love you and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Pinapangako kong aalagaan ang tiwalang muli nating binuo at pipiliin kita sa bawat araw ng buhay ko. Salamat sa iyong pagmamahal, pagtitiis at pagpapatawad. Ikaw ang tahanan ng puso ko at ikaw ang gusto kong makasama habang buhay. Mahal na mahal kita.
Ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yun. Sabay natin nadadaanan ang lahat, hanggat sa dulo ng ating pagmamahal. Hanggat sa kunin tayo ng may kapal.